Have you ever wondered why I never cover news breaking stories? Stories that and crime stories that are just now hitting the airwaves, being the breaking news reporter. Well, it's because of something that I learned when I was in college, taking my very first journalism class. It went like this: wait an hour and the story will change, either for the better or for the worse. Wait 4 hours and the story may either completely change or it'll disappear. That is how society moves and how news stories move. Wait an hour and it could change. Wait 4 hours and it could be either completely different or it's gone away completely. I was not in the courtroom when Richard Allen and his defense and the prosecution team went into court on Thursday, the 15th of June. I wasn't there. All I could rely on was what the Associated Press had put out and additionally what other reporters had verified as the facts from the transcript. And I went by the Associated Press, the transcripts, and those two reporters. So that's four sources. But I should have had a fifth. This is the update that has been now posted and tagged to the original Associated Press report. Prosecutors are alleging the Delphi, Indiana double murder suspect, Richard Allen, confessed 5 or 6 times to the killings. Defense attorneys did not dispute the allegations in Thursday's hearing. Judge Frangall is considering the defense's request to move Allen to a different facility. The defense has not yet formally indicated if they will seek a defense for the double murder charges on the grounds of mental defect. If they are to seek under grounds of mental defect, the state will have the right to have him tested by their own experts before trial. They will also know for sure if he is fit to stand trial or if he was insane at the time of the confessions. As it sits as Thursday, June 15th, 2023, Allen has not yet filed any complaint of mental health issues with the state medical staff there at the prison where he is being housed. The following 5 or 6 confessions took place during the time that he has been incarcerated. What has changed? In the original Associated Press story, it said that the confessions came sometime between 2017 and 2022. It did not mention anywhere that the confessions came from when he was behind bars. Additionally, again, we learn that he hasn't filed any complaint since he has been there about mental health defect or having any kind of mental health issue. But his defense is saying, yeah, these statements are damaging, but it's because of his mental health is deteriorated because of where he's being housed. So a lot of people asked me in the comment section of the video that I made yesterday, who did he confess to? Are these reliable sources? And will these confessions stand up in a court of law? And yes, I am aware, and I did watch Duty Ron's live stream last night. But additionally, I can add that if these are reliable, it would only be based upon, the individual that he actually confessed to. Supposedly, according to what I've learned since then, the 5 full confessions to the murders of Abby and Libby were unsolicited and given to 5 totally different people at different times. But at the same time, we know this, ladies and gentlemen, or you should know this, that when it comes to inmates, they have something they call jumping on a case. And they will find out about someone else's paperwork, find out who they are, and jump on their case and say, this individual confessed to me, to try to work out some kind of deal for a reduction of their own sentence. This is very common. Did he confess to a corrections officer or someone else at the prison? We don't know. As of right now, all this is just still unraveling, and we have to wait to find out how reliable are these actual confessions that he gave. How much detail is in each confession. But thank you again for understanding that I'm doing the best I can with the information that I can gather from here. I have the court transcripts, the reporter's notes from the 2 reporters who reported on, and the Associated Press and the Associated Press update. I thought those 5 were enough, but apparently I needed a 6th. You have a great day.